It's not yours.
No.
Who's that? Watson? I mean Messi?
No. It's Abby.
Come on, guys, over here. Deep way. Here, bring them over here. I'll bring this guy. Be careful. Hey, they're chewing on a stick.
Martha, you're not even doing anything.
Yeah, I'm watching. I just can't find my sandals.
Are you afraid to touch them?
No, you're not afraid. It just thinks they're. It just thinks they smell bad. They do smell bad.
I mean, we got used to it.
I mean, I thought my rabbits went around in their crap a lot, but
They smell cute. They smell like little teddy bears.
I want to run in their crap a lot.
They smell like teddy bears.
They really don't.
They poo in one place and then go in the other. They
Yeah.
sleep in the other.
They smell. I know, but
They don't smell that bad. They smell like little stuffed animals.
I know, they do.
Rabbits and you step on one.
Oh, good.
Dogs. They do. They do.
Or maybe pee.
They do. They do.
Crazy man.
So apparently, yeah, but why does their whole body smell like that?
No, it doesn't.
Smell puppies matching. It is?
Yes.
Oh my.
It looks like a worm. It looks like a worm. It looks like a worm coming out.
Matthew, come on, you see your puppies poo, right?
Okay, you guys are winning the video.
Yeah, but the little pellets come out. It's not as disgusting. True. It just looks like, marble.
Save it for later.
She's growing bald, you know that, right?
It's like a green rose.
Puppies have, when dogs have babies, they start growing bald and then they get a new,
Nino! Stop. That's me.
they get a new shape.
Oh, look at Fifi. Fifi was about to attack Nino.
It's okay.
Fifi was about to defend.
Fight.
That's Chelsea.
Nino? Hey!
Oh,
Hey,
no.
Nino!
Oh no, I think Martha's gonna get into some trouble.
Nino! No! I'm not letting you chew on this anymore. I'm not. Fine. Touch things all the time. Touch that, go. I want to touch it. No! Oh my god!
Nino, no. Nino.
They're just dogs.
Sit